If you have been one to take private photos or videos, then you have probably learned your lesson on doing so. I don't care who you are when you take the chance and snap the photo cause you think you're looking sexy, and yay, let's make sure our face is in it too, that way we know this hot body is mine. It will be safe on my personal phone. Tears of joy, tears of joy, tears of joy. I can almost guarantee you the last person in the world you would want to see that photo is the one who someone gets it. So don't do it. If you must, leave your face out. As far as letting your partner record private moments, I guess that depends on how much you trust your partner. I have had partners that I would never trust with something like that, either because they are just irresponsible, or vindictive, or a gut feeling was telling me no way. Do you want to end up like Kim Kardashian? I have had one partner whom I trusted with a lot of things I normally wouldn't. He is the only person I trusted with numerous things I would not and probably will not trust a man with. Yes, one of them being a recording. As of this date, he has kept his promise and kept all our personal moments just between the two of us, which is greatly appreciated. Would I let someone else do it now or in the future? No way. People are mean and social media is like wildfire. There is so much leaked video and people just being bullies trying to humiliate another person, and already most of our personal information is out there somewhere waiting to be found. I will try to keep as much of my private business to myself as long as I can. To each their own though.